Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and a very good day. My name is Daim Isufi bin Amli. This is my final year project proposal presentation. The title is Design and Fabrication of Mechanical Handwriting Machine. Okay, let's get to the introduction. Many automatic technologies currently in use such as automatic speech writing machine, mobile computers, printer and scanner. But the problem is there is not has been highlighted yet about writing or drawing like human hands using machine. Using mechanical handwriting machine, it introduced an auto writing or drawing machine. So in my final year project, I will make a mechanical handwriting machine to introduce an auto writing or drawing machine that mimic human writing style. To conduct this project, I will use the programming system, which is Arduino, to design to communicate between software and hardware system. And in this project also, I will design and fabricate the mechanical parts. Handwriting is one of the most important thing in practice to step their way to educational setting. And from my research, I found that in this digital era where people nowadays quite using the current technology such as smartphone, computer and printer to complete their work. One of the current technology that quite used is computer and printer. As we know, printer is very useful to make easier for writers to print the desired information to computer. But as I mentioned before, handwriting is still important to finish their task, but printer can only print, not write or drawing like human hands. Therefore, handwriting machine is the combination of handwriting and printer to make it easier for humans. Handwriting machine is forming a machine for the making any sort of writing and drawing on paper. Its function and working in three axes, which is X, Y and Z. It requires technical and complex for it to operate properly, and Arduino is the best solution for it to operate in a simple way, and it is also simpler to make. Okay, this is the advantage of Arduino rather than other platform, which is first, simple and clear programming environment. This software is suitable for beginners because it is easy for them to use, while experts will be more flexible and can use it widely. The second, it is open source and extensible software, which is the language that can be extended through C++ libraries and can take jump from Arduino to programming language. And the third one, it is open source and extensible hardware, which is for beginner like me. I can use to understand how it works and be more clear and simple to make the mechanical handwriting machine. Okay, but from my research, I found out that there is another software to download to programming and to move the machine using their language, which is Inkscape and Gcode. Inkscape is an open software that connects diagrams to be programmed and plot efficiently. Gcode is a numeric control programming language that uses computer-aided manufacturing to process and control machine to tools automatically. and uh, uh, there is mechanical parts that must be selected in writing the in making the mechanical handwriting machine, which is the first servo motor, second stepper motor, third motor driver, fourth Arduino, and the fifth CNC shield. The problem statement: design and fabricate each part that want to put together. It requires instruction about how to make computer language to move the machine. And the last one, software and hardware parts that need to be selected. The objective: first, to develop the mechanical handwriting machine to easy the user to use. Second, to study the software programming to develop in computer. And the third one, to study the component use and design of the handwriting machine. This is the methodology for mechanical handwriting machine, which is first the literature review, and from the literature review I will do the research, and from there I will get the objective and problem statement. Next, I will do the part of component selection, software to develop system, design drafting, and the last one, fabricate the prototype. This is the part of component selection. The main component of mechanical kit required to develop mechanical homework writing machine are Arduino, servo motor, CNC shield, motor driver, and stepper motor. For Arduino, it must be connected with CNC shield and motor driver. For my project, I choose the Arduino Uno because it is the latest design of USB board rather than Arduino Nano. It has regular USB to connect power, while Arduino Nano is more compact and it uses mini USB so it maybe will be difficult for me to fabricate. And the most important thing is Uno size is double to Nano, so it will be difficult to fabricate in small size to connect to other parts. For stepper motor, it must be connected with two X and Y axis at CNC shield. The stepper motor we use between 9 to 12 volt. The servo motor must be connected to the axis at CNC shield. The servo motor is where the pen will be attached. This is the software to develop the system, which required three software: Arduino, Inkscape, and G-code. Arduino will be the main link to connect with Arduino hardware. Inkscape is used to writing or drawing in graphic format. It used to create image that can be import and export. It is suitable with Arduino to export it after done drawing or writing. Then for the G-code processing, it used to convert the computer language into the movement of the machine. It can be connected with Arduino to go through and construct to processing. So this is the mechanism of proposed system, which is the sensor plate, the Arduino software to detect and give the command and instruction to the hardware. The design drafting. This is the implementation of programming parts block diagram. From here we can see the overall of computer, from computer to mechanical parts, which is in computer I must install 3 software, which is Escape, Arduino IDE, and processing, which is the decode. And then we go to Arduino hardware and motor driver to make the main point of circuit, and will connect with the mechanical parts, which is the stepper motor and servo motor. For the fabrication process, after complete making a circuit diagram of mechanical part and illustrate of programming part, it gives a clearer picture to do the fabrication. Fabrication will be done according to specific parameters made during the design process and connected each of the components using supporting materials to enable to function properly. So this is the expected outcome. The automated writing and drawing device can be controlled using computer. Obtain the computer language to communicate and link with the machine. Choose the right component of hardware and software part. Successfully fabricate mechanical handwriting machine. Okay, this is the circuit diagram of mechanical parts of handwriting machine. From here we can see you can see more clearer of how to make the circuit diagram of mechanical parts, which is the main point is Arduino and CNC chip, and from there it will connect it to stepper motor and servo motor. The stepper motor will go to X axis and Y axis, while servo motor will go to Z axis in CNC shield. And I will use the power supply of 12 voltage in my project of mechanical handwriting machine system. So I think that is all from me. Thank you very much, and Assalamualaikum.